This question is asking us. Sorry, I don't know what happened. This question is asking us to find the fully simplified version of this expression. Whenever we're trying to simplify an expression, as you saw in Khan Academy and we practiced before, you want to try to factor out everything that is in common between all of the terms and then get to your final expression. So let's see what that looks like here. All right, x cubed plus 2x squared over 2x cubed plus x squared. I want to think, what do they have in common? Well, I see that in all four of these terms, I can see there's an x squared. And here there's x cubed, but that means there's an x squared inside with an extra x. I don't see any coefficients that I can take out of these, but I think I can take an x squared out. And so this, I could rewrite. I'll take out the x squared, doing the distributive property backwards. So when I take out an x squared from x cubed, well, x squared, take out an x cubed, taking out an x squared, that just leaves me with x. And then 2x squared, if I take out an x squared, that's just going to leave me with 2. Oh dear, what is happening? Plus 2. Okay. And then in the denominator, we said already we can also take out an x squared, so let's do that. We're going to take out an x squared. 2x cubed, when I take out x squared, that's just going to leave 2x. And then x squared divided by x squared, that's just going to give us 1. Now, one of the answer options was this, and it is true, that is a simplified form, but it is not a fully simplified form. The next thing I see is that both of these terms have x squared in them, the numerator and the denominator. And since they're multiplying here, x squared times this and x squared times this, these will divide out and leave 1. So here we get x plus 2. And in the denominator, what's left is 2x plus 1. If you want to go further, you can say what values of x are not defined here. Here, you see the x squared, if that x was 0, the whole thing would become 0, and so we have to say that x cannot equal 0. And then in this denominator, we see, oh, if it's 2x plus 1, we can quickly think, oh, 2x plus 1, what's going to make that equal to 0? Well, 2x equals negative 1 when we subtract 1 on both sides, and if we divide both sides by 2, we get x equals negative 1. So that means x cannot equal 0, and also x cannot equal negative 1. There's your answer.